there are different ways to install and use Kali. The first approach is to download the ISO image from the website, burn it to a DVD, and install it from there. The second approach is to install the Kali Linux on an SD card or a USB memory stick and boot from there. Mainly this is used for microcomputers such as Raspberry Pi. Another approach is to use and boot from PXE environment over the network and install Kali from there. What we're using for this course is the last approach, which is downloading VMware image and importing it onto our VMware player.